Hello and welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're delving into a revolutionary solution for those chilly mornings and cold floors. The HEATWAVE 40 Sqft electric floor heating system. Let's dive right in. First things first, let's talk installation. The HEATWAVE system is designed for ease of use, with a straightforward installation process. Simply roll out the mat, cut and turn where necessary, and fill in any special spaces. And don't worry about damaging the heating element, it's incredibly durable. Now, let's talk about control. The HEATWAVE system comes equipped with a 7-day, 4-event programmable thermostat, giving you complete control over your floor heating. Plus, it includes built-in GFCI protection for added safety. But that's not all. This system is packed with features. From the embedded heated floor system that works under various flooring types, to the included floor sensor for optimal temperature control, the HEATWAVE system has everything you need for a cozy home. Now, I know what you might be thinking. What about sizing? Well, the HEATWAVE system has you covered. With easy sizing recommendations and a comprehensive installation manual, you'll have everything you need to ensure a perfect fit for your space. In conclusion, the HEATWAVE 40 Sqft electric floor heating system is a game-changer for anyone looking to add comfort and warmth to their home. With easy installation, advanced features, and top-notch support, it's a must-have for any homeowner. That's all for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more product critiques. Until next time, stay cozy.